Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Bafna Cars. Today again we have got something very special. We have an Innova Krista in house. It was a 2017 model. The car was slightly in a distressed condition, but we have really done a phenomenal job on this. To start with friends, the most luxurious part of this project was the suspension kit. We have installed an Ironman nitrogen gas filled suspension to have a very comfort driven vehicle. Along with this, we have really done some beautiful interiors like the wooden paneling, the rose gold paneling, and many more things in this car, which you will be having in complete detail in this video. Friends, don't miss this video. Please watch it completely. It'll be really fun to have a look. If someone really wants to modify his vehicle at Bafna Cars, that's absolutely the right place you should come. Give us an opportunity. We will give you a perfect solution. You can also check out with the ambient lighting, which has got a various mode along with a moving option. This comes from a brand called Blopung, which is again one of the finest product. We have installed a Moco headrest monitor. This is a single 13 inches screen which really gives you a 4K resolution and a fantastic visibility. We have upgraded this car with a wonderful lighting solutions from DHC, which gives you a perfect light throw on the road at its late night drive. Friends, we have also installed one beautiful tail lamp in this vehicle. For the seat solutions, we have installed a Top Gear seat covers in this vehicle. So we have focused a climate from Top Gear, which is a ventilated seat option for the rear two seats. It gives you a very good feel when you sit. We have done a 3-layer damping in this vehicle. That is again from Dr. Artex. It's really a beautiful and a perfect set. Along with this, friends, in this car we have also updated the audio, which is a complete active setup from Audison. Again, it's one of the finest product. It gives you a beautiful sound. एहसास की जो जुबान बन गए, एहसास की जो जुबान बन गए, दिल में मेरे मेहमान बन गए। आपकी तारीफ में क्या कहें, आप हमारी जान बन गए, आप हमारी जान
बन गए आप हमारी जान बन
नाही वाटत.
हमारी जान बन गए.
ते येत नाही, ते मला लगेच जाणवलं. आणि आता हे जर सस्पेन्शन जुनं होतं ना, ते जास्त जाणवायचं तसं.
So friends, as you have already gone through the entire video, I'm really very thrilled that Mr. Nitin Gute, who the Innova Crysta belongs to him, he's there with us, and he has really open-heartedly given me his car to do the best what I could do, and I have tried my level best. Friends, we have already taken the a test drive of the suspension, and we have already given the instruction about the audio to him. I would really appreciate if you can just share some views on that. Nitin sir, thank you so much. Amala, we have given an opportunity to work. Thank you so much again. We have been really associated since very, very, very long years, and I would really appreciate तुम्ही तुमचा सर काय जो बेस्ट रिव्ह्यू सर तुम्ही तुझ्या प्लीज.
बेस्ट रिव्ह्यू म्हणजे बापना कार्स, म्हणजे पहिलं तर ट्रस्ट. आणि मी आज गेले 25 वर्षापासून यांना ओळखतोय. यांनी फार मोठी यांनी जर्नी सफर केलेली आहे. आज ह्या स्टेजला आल्यात, यांना काय सांगावं लागत नाही. मला काय हवं ते त्यांना पूर्ण कळतं. त्यानुसार त्यांनी मला गाडीचं सर्व जे काय होतं मला करून दिलेलं आहे. आता मी आज गाडी डिलेवरी घेतोय, पण मी आज टेस्ट ड्राईव्ह नक्की घेतली स्पेशली सस्पेन्शनसाठी. खूप सॉफ्ट आणि खूप अतिशय चांगला त्याचं मला फील जाणवला. आता मी ते पुढे जाऊन गाडी चालवून मला नक्कीच त्याचा परत आणखीन चांगला अनुभव मी निघेल. आणि मी दानेशबाईला धन्यवाद देतो की त्यांनी माझं समाधान केल्याबद्दल.
Thank you so much. Please keep watching our videos, and we really appreciate if you can share your views on this. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next. Thank you.